Welcome to AB Ambition. So guys, this video is all about basics of computer part 2. So we will discuss different MCQs, and these MCQs are fundamentals of computer knowledge, and this fundamental computer knowledge are asked in each and every computer exams that you are appearing or if you want to appear. So these questions are helpful for any kind of competitive exams where you are appearing. Okay. So keep on watching this video till the end. In today's part, we will discuss 40 MCQ related to the fundamentals of computer. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. Question number 1. Which of the following is the main circuit board of the system unit? Answer is C. Motherboard. Answer is C. Motherboard. Question number 2. Desk printers are high-speed printers capable of printing an entire line at a time. Answer is C. Line. Question number 3. The biggest manufacturing of workstation is, answer is A. Sun Microsystems. Question number 4. The word processor used by DOS to write the programs or instructions. Options are A. Edit, B. MS Word, C. WordStar, D. WordPad. Answer is A. Edit. Question number 4. The DAS register holds machine instructions. Options are A. DOS, B. BOSS, C. Input, D. Instruction. Answer is D. Instruction. Question number 6. A CPU can directly understand this language. Options are A. Java, B. C, option C. C++, D. Machine. Answer is D. Machine. Question number 7. The DAS is controlled by a list of software instructions. Options are A. LU, B. CU, C. CPU, D. MU. Answer is C. CPU. Question number 8. A computer type, processor and operating system define its. Options are A. Speed, B. Size, C. Brand, D. Platform. Answer is A. Speed. Question number 9. Which protocol has been standardized by the International Standards Organizations? Options are ISO, B. CUL, C. LISP, D. ISM. Answer is A. ISO. Question number 10. A computer system is the integration of physical entities called hardware and non-physical entities called. Answer is A. Software. Question number 11. The instructions and data are stored in the DAS so that the processor can directly fetch and execute them. Options are A. CPU, B. Permanent memory, C. Control unit, D. Main memory. Answer is D. Main memory. Question number 12. DAS is an input device that controls the movements of the cursor on the display screen. Options are A. Scanner, B. Monitor, C. Light pen, D. Mouse. Answer is D. Mouse. Question number 13. This is a memory on which data can be written only once. Options are EEPROM, BPROM, CROM, D. RAM. Answer is B. PROM. Question number 14. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation program? Options are A. Machine language, B. High level language, C. Basic language, D. Assembly language. Correct answer is A. Machine language. Question number 15. The three main parts of the processor are. Options are A. ALU, control unit and RAM, B. ALU, control unit and registers, C. Control unit, register and RAM, D. Cache, control unit and register. Correct answer is B. ALU, control unit and registers. Question number 16. The ALU performs dash operation. Options are A. Arithmetic, B. Algorithm, C. ASC or D. Logarithm. Correct answer is A. Arithmetic. Question number 17. Which of the following is a displayed listening of program option that users can select? Options are A. File, B. Data item, C. Block, D. Menu. Correct answer is D. Menu. Question number 18. Which of the following is responsible for coordinating various operations using timing signals? Options are A. Memory unit, B. Control unit, C. Arithmetic logic unit, D. Input or output unit. Correct answer is B. Control unit. B is the correct answer. Control unit. Question number 19. Which of the following is not an alternative name for primary memory? Options are A. Main memory, B. Primary storage, C. Mass storage, D. Internal storage. Correct answer is C. Mass storage. Question number 20. The software that performs the specific jobs to be done in a business is called. Options are A. Application software, B. Application program, C. System software, D. Utilities. Correct answer is A. Application software. Question number 21. A trackball is manipulated by. Options are A. Fingers, B. Foot, C. Sound, D. Palm. Correct answer is D. Palm. Question number 22. Which of the following memory is capable of operating at electronic speed? Options are A. Magnetic tapes, B. Magnetic drums, C. Magnetic disc, D. Semiconductor memory. Correct answer is D. Semiconductor memory. Question number 23. Average access time in the magnetic discs is of the order of. Options are A. 50 millisecond, B. 50 microsecond, C. 50 second, D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. Correct answer is A. 50 millisecond. Question number 24. Which of the following is not an alternative name for primary memory? Options are A. Main memory, B. Primary storage, C. Mass storage, D. Internal storage. Correct answer is C. Correct answer is C. Mass storage. Question number 25. A computer processes information. Options are A. At once, B. As directed by the operator, C. Automatically, D. Gradually and eventually. Correct answer is C. Automatically. Question number 26. Which kind of storage device can be carried around? Options are A. Hard disk drive, B. System cabinet, C. Hard disk, D. Floppy disk. Correct answer is D. Floppy disk. Question number 27. For the purpose of defining data needs, a responsibility area is dash. Options are A. Administration, B. Personal, C. Marketing, D. All of these. Correct answer is B. personal. Question number 28. Most of the errors blamed on computers are actually due to DS. Options are A. Data entry errors, B. Defects in floppy disk, C. Hardware fatigue, D. Programming errors. Correct answer is A. Data entry errors. Question number 29. 1 picosecond is, options are 10 seconds, B. 100 seconds, C. 1000 seconds, D. 10,000 seconds. Correct answer is A. 10 seconds. Question number 30. A device that transmits messages in verbal form is, options are A. Audio response unit, B. Magnetic tape, C. Card punch, D. Audit rail. Correct answer is A. Audio response unit. Question number 31. A device or system not directly connected to the CPU is dash. Options are A. Offline, B. Memory, C. Keyboard, D. Online. Correct answer is A. Offline. Question number 32. Which term is not used to describe the memory component of a computer? Options are A. ROM, B. RAM, C. SAM, D. PROM. Correct answer is C. SAM. Question number 33. This attribute specifies the number of times the sound should repeat. Options are A. Font, B. loop, C. size, D. color. Correct answer is B. loop. Question number 34. What is the main folder on a storage device called? Options are A. Device driver, B. root directory, C. interface, D. platform. Correct answer is B. root directory. Question number 35. Which is the most popular medium for direct access secondary storage of a computer? Options are ROM, B. RAM, C. magnetic disk, D. magnetic tape. Correct answer is D. C. magnetic disk. Question number 36. The combination of top-down and bottom-up approach may be referred as an dash. Options are A. interpretive approach, B. interactive approach, C. integrative approach, D. none of these. Correct answer is C. integrative approach. Question number 37. Conversion method in which users being used to an old system continue to use the old system alongside the new system is dash. Options are A. parallel run, B. multitasking, C. multiprocessing, D. all of these. Correct answer is A. parallel run. Question number 30 is the binary coded decimal BCD uses. Correct answer is A. 6 bits. Question number 39. This is a self-replicating program that can cause damage to data and files stored on your computer. Options are A. virus, B. freeware, C. piracy, D. none of the given. Correct answer is A. virus. Correct answer is virus is a self-replicating program that can cause damage to data and files stored on your computer. So, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. The last question of this part is question number 40. This refers to software setups that permit only authorized access to the system. Options are A. personal security, B. personal security, B. personal security, C. physical security, D. none of these. Correct answer is A. personal security.